Aloha mai kākou, Aaron Mahi here for another month of Nā Huaʻōlelo o ka Malama. This is February, or Kaulua, and the mission statement of our Partners in Development Foundation is Partners in Development Foundation inspires and equips families and communities for success. Success is our word today. Kalei o ka Lanakila, 2 words, or a series of words. Kalei, which is to be adorned or to wear. Lanakila, victory, or the victor, to succeed or win. Our sentence is, no ka lākou hana koʻikoʻi ana, nā lākou kalei o ka Lanakila. Because of their rigorous work, they are the victors. Again, another word for the month. Hope to join us next week. From Partners in Development Foundation, we want to say Eola i ka ʻōlelo Hawaii.